Hi, in this video we'll demonstrate how you can use assignments from a previous year. First, log in. You'll be taken to your account where you have your classes that you used last year. Now if you want to delete any of those classes, that's fine. Just select the class you'd like to delete and click the delete button. And once again, click delete. Once you delete the class, you cannot retrieve it. Click the OK button. Okay, suppose you want to select one of the classes from last year, suppose Geometry Period 3, and we had a class code. Now if you were to view the assignments, all your assignments will be there from last year. And suppose you want to use some of those same assignments this year. Well, you can do that quite easily. Let's go back to Classes. And you want to click the View Edit under the class heading. And what you can do is you can certainly change that name. Let's say you now have a geometry, but it's period, let's say period 2, so you can change the name. And you also want to make sure you change the start date and the end date. So we can start that class. Let's just say we'll start it in September. We'll just say September 1st. That's fine. The time really doesn't matter. Click the check mark, and let's go ahead and end it in July. All right, we'll say July 1st. And once again, we'll press the check mark. Now notice that class code will not change. That'll be the same class code that you had last year. So when you invite your students, you do want to use that same code. Simply submit it. And now that class will be ready to invite students. Notice all the students have been cleared out from last year, but your assignments will remain. So now it says Geometry Period 2, starting September 2020, ending July 2021. And once again, if you go to your assignments, all those assignments are there. So for example, if you want to reassign this one here, you can just go to that assignment. You can, of course, take a look at it. Or if you want to change some of the features of that assignment, just go back to Classes, the class that you want to deal with, and you want to view those assignments. And then you want to edit any assignment that you would like to edit. Let's say this one here. View Edit. And then again, you can change any of the features, the dates. You can add some additional questions. And once you have students, you can select some students to assign that particular assignment to. And of course, if you'd like to start fresh with all new classes, you can simply delete each class and then use the Create a New Class tab and create brand new classes, which will then create new class codes. But please make certain, if you want to preserve your assignments from last year, you want to keep that class, do not delete it. And once again, just change the start date and end date and jot down that class code and supply that class code to your new students. This way you'll be able to reassign any of those assignments during the school year. Thanks for watching, and please contact us if you have any questions. Bye-bye.